thinking about this year's events, we were struck by the fact that marketing has never been more exciting. Game-changing innovations, the rise of the internet, the explosion of social media, and more recently, the proliferation of mobile. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Compete's 2011 Digital CMO Summit, The Connection Project.
I love the title of the conference, The Connection Project, because I feel that's what it's all about. It's all about connecting.
We are in the midst of what I can only describe as an incredible business transformation.
Now we have to start to think digitally and then think about other media.
Brands don't need to sell brands, people will sell them for them.
Marketing is about connecting with consumers, building insights about their needs and finding ways to serve that. And what's amazing about digital is it changes what's possible.
By bringing leaders together from across different businesses, different disciplines, with different perspectives, we can collectively create a new view on how we can go improve marketing performance, improve engagement, and inform all of our digital strategies.
Part of what we do for advertisers is helping them optimize and understanding best practices and how to create great content that's going to get rewarded.
What I want to do today is spark a conversation that we can carry on outside this particular presentation, because luckily Compete has designed a session where we actually get to talk.
From a digital marketing and media perspective, we can say, let's go find these people.
We look at the human response to online advertising and what that means for different targeting techniques. So can the same ad elicit a different response, even in very similar people, just by virtue of being targeted in a different way? So looking at that idea of connection from a different angle.
The right strategy here is for the media company to be providing great media solutions, and for the agency and the holding company to be doing the heavy lifting around understanding the media, valuing the media, and making the buying decisions on behalf of marketers.
I'm really impressed with the programming lineup that Compete's put on over the last 2 days. Just an amazing group of speakers, and also great to see what Compete's done in terms of really giving back to the community here in New Orleans with what they did with Habitat for Humanity.
The keynote was fantastic, and just the representation from some of the companies, I mean Yahoo, Google, Verizon, Sprint, just huge Fortune 100 companies. It's been great.
Hands down, this is the best summit that I've been to, and we go to a lot of these things.
It's been a fantastic event, great 2 days. I was really, fortunate to get to participate and, hear all the speakers, and really love New Orleans, great location for it, and just thank you overall. It's been, been great.
I feel like I should be paying to come in. I'm getting paid to come here and work. This is phenomenal. It's like I should be paying to come here and see this.
The networking opportunities have just been tremendous to really connect with people that can add immediate value to my business every day.
I thank them for putting together a conference that I feel like I learn from, and I meet people who I learn from, and that's pretty special, because not a lot of conferences have that.
Nice job. I think you'll have a tough time beating it next year.